The Jamaica Stock Exchange just announced 2 exciting new changes, but how will it affect you and your money? I'm Kalila Reynolds, founder and CEO of Money Media, Money News Made Simple. So it's official, investors now have more time to do daily trades because the JSE just extended trading hours from 3.5 hours to 5 hours a day. The new trading hours are from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. each weekday. This has been a long time coming. Investors have been asking for longer trading hours for years. An additional 1.5 hours is a lot, especially when you consider that if a stock hits a circuit breaker because the price goes too high or too low, trading for that stock gets paused for an hour. Some more time is great. The JSE also officially transitioned from a T+2 to a T+1 settlement cycle. So let me just explain that. The T here stands for trading day, and +2 means 2 business days. +1 means 1 business day. So you may think that when you buy or sell shares, everything happens immediately. Not true. There are actually 2 important dates involved in any trade. The transaction date is the day you make the trade. That's different from the settlement date, which is the date the trade becomes official. When a trade is made, there's a lot of work that goes on in the back end. Payment has to be received and verified. The actual shares need to be transferred, and the securities transfer agent also has to verify the new shareholder and remove the old one. So on a T+2 settlement cycle, all that stuff would be completed in 2 business days. That's why when companies pay dividends, they have a record date. You have to be a shareholder by the record date in order to receive dividends. For example, let's say the record date was June 3rd. If you bought the shares on June 3rd, you wouldn't get the dividend because you still have to account for the 2 business days it takes to settle the transaction. You would have had to purchase the shares by June 1st to benefit. But with the JSE transitioning to a T+1 cycle, the settlement is now happening in just 1 business day. Of course, this is great news for the JSE. Managing Director of the Jamaica Stock Exchange, Dr. Marlene Street Forrest, pointed out that it will increase liquidity in the market, meaning more trades can happen more quickly. The less time it takes to settle transactions, the more transactions can take place. Combined with longer trading hours, the market should have more movement. And the best part, shorter settlement time means quicker access to your cash. When you sell your shares, you only have to wait 1 business day to have access to the money that you made from the sale, and that's the bottom line. So, are you excited for longer trading hours and shorter settlement times? Let me know in the comments. If you want to learn how to invest in stocks, click the link up here or in the description for my Investing for Beginners course. Let's get this money.
Let's get this money.